In this video, I'm going to show you how to send ETH or Ethereum to Robinhood chain. Now, the first thing I have to point out is that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Trading meme coins carries extreme financial risk, so always do your own research before investing into anything. Now that we got this out of the way, let's get into this video and send some ETH over to the Robinhood chain. So to do this, we're going to be using Uniswap. Of course, you can use whatever you want. I'm just going to use Uniswap because that's what I usually do. And of course, we're also going to use the MetaMask wallet. Again, it's up to you which wallet you're going to use. Just make sure you actually do have some ETH on there so we can send it over to the Robinhood chain. As you can see, I have a very small amount over here, but it's still going to work. It's like $2.62 worth of ETH over here, which is 0.00145. But still, it doesn't matter. You can still convert whatever amount you want. Just make sure you actually keep some amount for, of course, the gas fee as well, which in Ethereum are usually quite high. So that's what you have to do. But of course, if you don't have ETH on your wallet, you could also go and, for example, use something like USDC or something similar to then convert that into, of course, Ethereum on the Robinhood chain. So first, let's pretend like you have some ETH on your wallet. You first want to go to something like Uniswap and you want to connect the wallet here top right. So click on this connect button, and then I'm going to go and click on MetaMask, and I'm going to actually confirm this, okay? Click on connect and you are good to go. For the first time you do this, it may also ask you to basically put in the password to your wallet if it's not unlocked right now. So if it does so, make sure you actually put it in and unlock your wallet. From here, you'll see how much ETH you have. So I do have, of course, 0.00145 ETH. That's going to be it. And we're going to send this ETH to the Robinhood chain. Now, to do this, of course, you want to make sure your MetaMask does have the Robinhood chain connected, okay? If you don't have this, I do have a separate video. It's called How to Add Robinhood Chain to, of course, MetaMask. So you can just go basically watch that, and it's going to show exactly how to connect it. It's super simple. And then from here, you want to go and select how much you want to add, and of course, the token you're going to. So I'm going to leave ETH over here, and I'm going to select the token, and you want to click on this button to show all networks, and you want to scroll down, and here is Robinhood chain. Click on it, and then from here you'll see Robinhood ETH. So you want to click on it, and there we go. We're now sending the ETH to Robinhood ETH, okay? I'm going to type in the amount. We're just going to do, for example, 0.001 over here. It's going to be 1.80, and because of the fees, it's going to, of course, give me $1.77 worth of ETH. But then what I can do here is just click on Get Started. Make sure you always leave some and don't transfer everything because, of course, there's going to be some gas fees involved in this. So you're going to have to pay some gas fees to actually process this transaction. And then when you're done, just click on Get Started. Now here, of course, you want to click on the review button and you want to click on Continue. It's going to give you like a notification. And if you agree with this, click on Swap. Okay, there we go. You're going to have to confirm this inside your wallet, just like this, confirm. You have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually swap. And then if it's successful, it's going to allow you to see your balances, okay? So as you can see right now, it's doing this. Usually it's quite quick depending on the time you're doing this. There we go. It says one pending. Okay, it says swapped. Now if I go back to our wallet, here you can see, there we go. I only have this much left because it went to the other one. So if I switch this chain here now to, let me actually find my other one. So the custom one, there we go, Robinhood chain. There we go. As you can see, I have some Robinhood ETH on here, okay? And I can now go and use this for trading meme coins and different things on the Robinhood chain. So that's how to do this. But again, if you have something else and not ETH, you can just go and basically switch to, for example, let's say you have USDC, you can just go and pick USDC over here and switch it over to ETH if you have any USDC on your wallet, or basically any other thing as well. You can bridge this to another chain and you can go and do this quite easily here on Uniswap. And then when you have this, you can go and start trading meme coins. Of course, if you want, you can find a platform which supports trading of meme coins. I usually use Axiom. If you're interested, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, okay? So you can just come here, switch over to the new Robinhood chain, and you can start trading. I do have a full guide of my video on my channel as well, so you can go and watch that as well if you are interested. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.